do you live there? Well, there are some good things about winter. When you need a little peace and quiet, there's nothing like a great beach town. This is called the heart of a beach town. The streets are empty and the coast is clear. Local faces smiling ear to ear. Snow is falling, empty seats at the bar. We know who we are. Empty beaches, just a boy and his dog. Ice blue water breaks and snow-covered rocks. Oh man, winter, you ain't getting me down. 'Cause this is the heart. This is the heart. This is the heart. This is the heart of a beach town. Strangers are screaming simultaneously, and I knew everybody on that island but me. Some old driftfoot the tide planted me here. It's so perfectly clear. Empty beaches, just a boy and his dog. Ice blue water breaks and snow-covered rocks. Oh man, winter, you ain't getting me down. 'Cause this is the heart. This is the heart. This is the heart. This is the heart of a beach town. Yeah, and this old house is mowed, and this old house is grown as a night wind roars with rage. Hey, and that perfect storm passes and the sun comes out. Hey, the boys are out catching their wind. Icicles are shedding their tears this spring. Gulls are laughing in the spreading wings. Tourists planning for the summer to start, waiting to break the heart of my town. Empty beaches, just a boy and his dog. Ice blue water breaks and snow-covered rocks. Oh man, winter, you ain't getting me down. 'Cause this is the heart.